Hi guys, my name is MJ. Welcome to the Toy channel. Alright, in front of me I have two PGM models. I just got my Tiffany blue recently, okay, in the luxury package. And I do want to share with you, this one is actually on loan. I've got this Cherry Blossom version from a friend of mine, and I hope to be able to show, because it's the first time I'm showing you guys PGM. And they have been making RWBs for a while now, quite a lot of models already I see. But I haven't actually collected any of them because the price range is a little bit ridiculous to me compared to any of the other brands. Hence, I thought I'll just give it a try at the this would be my first one. And I have it in the regular packaging, and which will look like that, and the premium packaging will look like this. It comes with a round base. All right, so let's go through the red one first. It's called Cherry Blossom. Problem is I don't have much information on this model because I I just couldn't find the real name. I thought it's just a design by PGM, but based on the car that's at the back there, right? It does look like it's a real car, a real one-to-one scale car. Okay, but in any case, so overall this PGM model, they're based in Hong Kong, made in China, and they're more focused on RWBs that can open with opening compartments, two opening doors, the front bonnet, and also the back bonnet. It's all openable, and so it's kind of like another different market segment that will go for expensive expensive 64 scale models. So this one is a running number. There are 1,000 pieces. This is their 964, and in here I have in blue, the Tiffany blue, that's a 930. Okay, so this one I actually got one out of the packing already, and I'll just show you guys what I have with me. Okay, so I got it out of packing already, and because this was on a loan, hence the reason. So all these PGM models comes with this thing, rubbery thing. It's kind of hard, so I'm not, it feels rubbery, but honestly speaking, I do not know what does it, what's it for exactly. Yeah, but they do come with it. It feels rubbery, it's glossy, but I just can't really tell what do I do with it. Okay, maybe I can, I don't know, make a hole and it becomes a keychain, I guess. Okay, so I'll put that aside, and then yeah, it's because of this picture of this thing that makes me wonder whether what's the heritage of this car. If you do know, please do let me know in the section comment section below. Right, please do let me know. Okay, and because that one I managed to find some information for that model, we'll come to that later. Okay, so packaging wise, yeah, it's really very straightforward. The one that's really interesting is actually the car itself. This one we have actually gotten it out of the base, and we kind of played around with it a little bit. Well, not exactly out of the base, it's just out of the packaging. So on the inside, right, there is actually quite a lot of details. This is one of the things that impressed me. That all these little details on the inside, okay, that went ahead and did it. That's actually very nice. Base is actually carpet, okay, so it gives you that premium kind of feeling to it. Okay, at the back is openable as well. So there's some slight engine details at the back, even though you can't see much. Okay, I'll just let it zoom and show you guys there. Okay, so yeah, it's quite dark in there, but yeah, at least there's something that's a little bit of coloring and stuff. So on the inside, can you see it? There's some dashboard details in there. Okay, let it zoom a little bit on dash. Yep, there you go. There is a couple of details in there. I think that is actually very nice. Okay, and the door panels are there, done quite nicely. Okay, on this side as well. Then if you can see on the inside. Okay, so build wise, I think this is actually done quite well compared to any of the other brands. These are all in die cast, hence um, that's why all the opening compartments, I guess. And at this price range, it's usually resin, so it is a bit something different. At least be able to play around with this one, so it works quite well with the diorama. So underneath, right, problem is it yeah, to go with that premium feeling, or they kind of use this to cover it. Okay, otherwise it's just a plain old base, but that's very nice, PGM. Well done. Something different, huh? Something different. Okay, so this one does look quite good, but then again, I don't have much information on it. Okay, I'll just park this. Yeah, I'll just park this aside first because I want to go through you guys with this. So each of their models, right, they do come in two versions. That's the regular packing version, and then they will have something like this in a box, in a jewelry or watch box kind of thing. So it has a little bit more details underneath. Manufactured by manufacturer B. That's some kind of typo there. Model Collect Trading Company based in Hong Kong. So it's PGM. I don't know what is all the random numbers there represent. So this is an official licensed product. Okay, so we'll take it out. This one I've actually opened it before because I got too excited when I got it in my mail. Hence, I'll just I went ahead and open it up. Okay, which will be a bit of a challenge of for me to open it for you guys here. Show you guys why. And it's quite a clever design to have this flap open. Okay, so it will be much easier to take the items out of the packaging actually. Okay, so again, it comes with that leather. Don't know, I really don't know what's this. And it always has that sharp thing in front. Really let's just put that aside. So usually when it's new, right, what we'll do is we just remove it, take it out from the top. But because of the mechanism and how this thing, there's a sticker there, I kind of removed the sticker already, hence it will be a bit of a challenge. So what I'll do is I'll take the sponge out and show you guys, because I don't want to drop it. Okay, because these things are expensive and I'm not sponsored to do it. Okay, there, unveiling. Ta-da! Ta-da! Okay, so let's see. Yeah, so it's supposed to have a sticker to secure it, so you can lift it up from the top. So you if you've just bought it, you should be getting that you should be able to lift it up right from the top. Okay, so just put that aside. There you go, parking on side. Okay, all right, so it comes with a round base, and this is actually very nice if you ask me. 1,500 pieces was made. This is a Porsche 930. Okay, RWB for Porsche. Okay, this one is actually called Shinkiro. It's based in Russia, and this livery they actually went to the Met Ball rally in 2018. So this is actually based on that version. There, I'll just take it out. I do quite like that PGM has all these blisters to secure the cars. That is actually very nice. Okay, I'll just get it out. It's acrylic. The cover, it's acrylic. So on the base it's plastic, but it does have a very nice metal kind of brass kind of finishing. That's actually very nice. And the table is actually quite interesting. You can rotate it in a way. It's not motorized, so it's manual rotation. Okay, but it's quite nice and convenient for me to showcase the car to you, actually, come to think of it. All right. Okay, so it is really based on the Met Ball version. So Met Ball Rally, right, what it is actually something similar to Gumball 3000. It's a adventure road adventure kind of thing in Europe. So in 2018 they were in London. That was the first stop. It was a 7-day road trip. I think their final stop was Vienna. All right, so this is actually one of the it does look quite decent, this 930, if you ask me. Let's I do quite like the wheels. They've done very nice. Okay, let's just try and open up the doors. There we go. It's actually not quite tight, surprisingly. It is quite loose, so I got it out. Okay, we can see some details in there. There's the pedal, shift, okay, the accelerator, the brake, the clutch details, and then there's some details on the dashboard. That's actually very nice. The speedometer. All right, and then let's check out the engine. Okay, so this one has a little bit more detail to it. I'm not exactly an engine guy, so I'm not able to tell, but it is definitely different from the 964. The details, okay, it's definitely very different. There is some printing here, but unfortunately I myself also, it's so small that I can't see what it is. So yeah, but I do know this one, trust nobody. Okay, this one is actually on the real thing. All right, okay, let's open up this one as well. Okay, so there is some details to the passenger side. That's actually very nice. Let me just zoom it. I do quite like that copper chrome gold kind of finishing on the ring of the rims. That is actually very nice. Okay, and then we come to the front. Okay, this one is a bit of a challenge. I've kind of had a hard time trying to open it up, and yeah. Oh shit, can I shake it? Can I shake it open? Yes, I can shake it open. Okay, this one is actually quite loose, unfortunately. There is some details inside that is actually very nice. I'm impressed. The details are actually very nice, but this, yeah, very loose, so it will just drop off. Okay, the details are very nice. The print is quite crisp. It's not, pixelated, even though it's so small. And it's actually very nice. All the print on the back here, that is very nice as well. Very nice. Possibly one of the best 930 RWB that I've seen so far. Possibly. Very nice. Now, a bit of a challenge. I do want to try to take this out and see if it rolls, but yeah, I want to try to take it out. I've kind of taken it apart a little bit, but that's as far as it goes. This is the base. Okay, it kind of has this mechanism, heavy, kind of greasy kind of feel to it. So I guess that is sort of to make it turn the turntable to work much better. However, the challenge is, right, because this thing is secured, I noticed that underneath is secured by 2 screws. Okay, it's secured by 2 screws. Let me see if I can show you. Can you see it? A little bit of reflection there. It's secured by 2 screws. So when I check underneath, I see one here, and the other one is actually, there you go, underneath there. So I'm wondering how the hell am I gonna get to it. So I don't see any easy way to actually remove this. So I'm wondering how am I gonna take it out. I want to test. I want to see if it rolls. Damn it. Can't take it out now. So if you do know how to take it out, do let me know, right? I can't take it out. So you know what? I'll try to take that one out instead. The Cherry Blossom. Okay, I'm going to take out the Cherry Blossom instead. And if you do know more information on this model, right, please do let me know. Because I did try to find, but I couldn't find anything, unfortunately. Okay, so we'll open up the 964 and let's see how it goes. Yeah, it's double screwed. Hang on. Okay, the front, it's quite easy to take out. Okay, underneath there is, okay, the details to the exhaust system. That is nice. That is nice. Okay, there's a PGM logo, slight details underneath. I don't think that represents much, but the thing that I'm really interested to find out is actually this, because die cast. Okay, because die cast. Yeah, I do have some hope in it because I know resin models can't roll. So let's see, die cast. Let's see. Damn. Shit. Yeah, it's a lump of rubber. So the front kind of works. Yeah, it's not a wheelie. The back, I can turn, but it's really very tight. So yeah, no, yeah, I can't. Yeah, it's really very tight. So yeah, PGM, I think it's safe to say it doesn't really roll. Can you hear the sound? Yeah, doesn't roll. Set. It can roll, my good lord, right? Okay, let me angle it a little bit. That will be my final shot. Okay, so that's about it for this time around for PGM, and worth collecting. I think it's all right. I think it's all right. I think we can be a bit selective in some of their cars, because in diorama definitely it will work very nicely with the figures and all the accessories. I think that is actually a plus point with the opening parts. I don't think there's a need for the premium base though. Unless you put it into a lighted display, then yes, imagine you have 5-6 pieces of displays like that. Then that actually makes quite a big difference. Alright, so that's it for this round. As usual, I'll be taking close-up photos and putting them on my Instagram. Remember to follow me there, vertitoys.mj. Remember to hit the subscribe button, okay? And hit the bell button so that you don't miss on any of my awesome diecast videos. Alright, thank you very much for watching, guys. Bye.